Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing one thing, the image. You can use a local file, an image URL, or a screenshot. Once ready, open Images. Google, com or tap Images from Google. Signing into your Google account helps with personalized history. Now click the camera icon or the mobile share right arrow search image option. This first step sends your image to Google's reverse search engine so it can analyze colors, shapes, and metadata, making later matches faster and more accurate. Next, upload or link the image so Google can find matches. On desktop, click the camera icon, then either paste the image URL or choose Upload an image and select your file. On mobile, share the picture to Chrome or use Google Lens from the search bar to start the query. Wait a few seconds while Google analyzes visual features and embedded metadata. After processing, you get visually similar images, size variants, and web pages that use or reference the image, helpful for source verification. Finally, interpret the matches to confirm origin or context. Look at visually similar images, filter by size or color, and open pages that include the image to check dates and captions. If results are noisy, crop to the subject, upload a higher resolution file, or add keywords to narrow the intent. If nothing appears, clear your browser cache, try another browser, or use the Google Lens app. Doing so often resolves permission or indexing hiccups, so you can complete the search successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.